What if the most popular fasting advice is secretly designed to make you fail? Half of all people who try intermittent fasting quit by week 3, and it's not because they lack willpower. It's because the rules they're following set them up for failure. I was almost one of them, but I discovered 5 small shifts that turned fasting from a miserable hunger test into something genuinely effortless. We're going to cover all 5, but make sure you stick around for the last one. It's a simple trick for handling social events that almost nobody talks about, and it will save you from ever feeling guilty again. Rule 1. Start with a 12-12 window. Look, nobody wants to hear start small. We all want the 16 to 8 magic bullet, but your body has been on an all-day buffet schedule for years. Ripping away 6 of those hours is like switching from Netflix to dial-up overnight. Your hunger hormones will scream, you'll swear you're starving, and the fridge light becomes a moth magnet. Instead, try 12 hours fasting, 12 hours eating. Eat dinner at 7 p.m., and you can eat again at 7 a.m. You're asleep for most of it. Stick there for a week. Once you're no longer bargaining with the microwave at 11 p.m., you can nudge that window by 1 single hour until you find your sweet spot. Slow, steady, and way less drama. Rule 2. Hydrate on purpose. Thirst is a con artist. It loves to wear a hunger disguise, pop up mid-morning, and before you know it, you're elbow-deep in trail mix, wondering what happened. While coffee and tea are fine, they're also mild diuretics. Translation: they flush water and salt out, leaving you dizzy, headachy, and wondering why fasting feels so awful. The fix is simple. Aim for 2.5 liters of total fluids a day. I keep 2 1-liter bottles, one at my desk, one in my bag. Finish bottle number 1 before lunch, bottle number 2 before dinner. Add a pinch of pink salt to each refill to keep your blood pressure steady and headaches at bay. If you feel off, drink first, eat second. Okay, nailing those first 2 rules puts you ahead of the game, but the next 2 are where people really drop the ball, accidentally sabotaging their metabolism and making themselves hungrier. Getting these wrong can actually cause you to lose muscle, not fat. And don't forget, that 5th rule on navigating social plans is coming up. It's the key to making fasting fit your real life, not the other way around. Rule 3. Eat protein first at every meal. Skipping breakfast is only half the equation. What you break your fast with matters just as much. If you break a fast with a leafy salad and a dinner roll, you'll be hungry again in 90 minutes. And your body will happily snack on your biceps for energy. Instead, lead with protein. Think 3 eggs, Greek yogurt with berries, or a whey shake in unsweetened almond milk. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein right out of the gate. Then add your colorful veggies and healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Your muscles stay fueled, your metabolism keeps humming, and you actually feel full until your next meal. Rule 4. Keep workouts where they belong. The idea that you should train fasted to burn more fat sounds great, until your 6 a.m. deadlift session ends with you wanting to gnaw the steering wheel on the drive home. Intense fasted training spikes cortisol, your stress hormone, which loves to remind you that donuts exist. Schedule your hard workouts near the end of your eating window. If you lift at 5 p.m., you can slam a protein shake right after and refuel without breaking your fast. If you're a morning person, that's cool. Walk the dog, do some stretching, or light bodyweight exercises. Save the heavy squats and sprint intervals for when food is on deck. Your strength stays high and your hanger stays low. Rule 5. Plan for social situations. This is where consistency is made or broken. Week 3 always throws a curveball. Birthday pancakes at 8 a.m., or your boss schedules team bonding sushi at 9 p.m. If you haven't rehearsed the escape plan, you'll either white-knuckle it with a glass of water or surrender and feel terrible later. The solution is to plan 1 flexible meal a week. If you have a late dinner, shift your eating window for that day. Say 2 p.m. to 10 p.m., surprise brunch, no problem. Just shift the next day to a simple 10-10 split, then slide back to your normal schedule. Decide the night before, put it in your phone, and treat it like a calendar invite. Consistency beats perfection every single time. So, there you have it. Start gentle with a 12-12 window, hydrate like it's your job, Lead every meal with protein, time your workouts strategically, and script your social curveballs. These 5 rules turn the first month of fasting from a hunger game into something that feels like autopilot. If this video saved you a future headache, hit subscribe. I drop new science-backed tips every Thursday so you can skip the guesswork. Now comment below with the one rule you're going to start tomorrow. I'll be down there cheering you on.